was right now and I noticed this. Bro, he responded. He responded my life. My channel just had. Bro, look at this number. And now, look at Thunder number. Look at his subscribers number. I don't know it could happen. Anyways, I I was so shocked, bro. But now I'm giving a big hug to you, Thunder Droid. But now I go to sleep because I'm too bored. So goodbye.